We're back again. Yes. No, we're not back again. This is a new game. I'm sorry I keep switching the series up, but the Stickman game, anime stick, I don't think that's coming back. Nameless Cat. Y'all gonna have to ask for that. Alright, what's happening? Alright, this is the story. Okay. Cat balloon. Somebody spying. Monkey people. Bing, they knocked them out. Okay. That's not a good thing. Brutus. Shinja. It's not Cat Mario, it's just Super Cat Mario, it's not much of a difference. Jeez, these are a lot of characters. My gosh. Alright, time to play. Let's go. Let's go. There are more videos on more series, so I guess this is just like Mario. Let's go. Level 1, World 1. New tale begins. World 1, Level 1. There's only a left and right. Left and right. About to. Alright, let's go. A bell. I cannot jump right now. Walk into the wall to climb up. Oh, okay. That defeats the purpose. Step on the check. Alright. That was the easiest level. All I had to do was press right. Let's go. That was easy. That's crap, dude. Alright. Level 2! Dandelion's Field. Is Dandelions in person? Oh my gosh, look at my person. Oh, whoa. Double tap left to right. So like this. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, wait, there's a bell. You mean that bell? Press the opposite direction to break. Okay. Alright, tap the opposite direction while climbing to do a wall jump. Alright. Oh, I still want I still want that last coin. I cannot leave without it. Thank you. Level complete! It gives me Super Mario World. The Super Mario 3D World vibes. Tricky cliffs. Okay. This is still a tutorial, I guess. Run into a cliff to jump. What? Run into a cliff to jump. Is this not a cliff? Alright. I'm obviously doing something wrong. Oh, wait a minute. What the heck? What? I still don't know how to do this. Oh, I have to run. Oh, that's easy. You can adjust the tap speed from the Alright. I'm not doing that right now. Alright. I cannot see it. You, be careful. Okay. Do I have to... do I have to, like, go slow? What am I doing? I didn't read the sign. I'm such a dummy. Let me back in. Let me back in. Alright, give me the bell. Alright, I'm a dummy. What? I can't read it. It says something. You be careful. What am I supposed to do? Oh. Alright, well that was really dumb of me. Alright, get me up here. There! Okay, I just had a massive brain fart. I'm so dumb. It kind of isn't my fault. Climb it up! Yeah, baby, climb it up. You look like you about to get your whole face shut. Man, I'm playing Cat Mario. It's such a great time. Man, your face is so nice. It smells like red lime. Red lime? That's not even a thing. Man, I'm so weird. I Google search on Bing. What does that mean? I have the bars. You're so poor. Yeah, I don't have a car. Sorry for the terrible bars. Oh my goodness, I'm doing great, actually. Wow. Okay, level 5. Torotoki Village. I'm learning Japanese. Hajimemashite. Shogun desu. I'm not a shogun. I'm a samurai. Alright, let's do this. Oh, I thought you were an enemy. Welcome to Torodoki. I'm used to Todoroki. Okay. Torodoki Village. Okay. What just happened? Oh my god, an ad. Please leave. Alright. Apparently that's how you pause. Okay. Thank you. The controls are so simple. It's just left and right. Alright, what is that? Free coin? Is that an ad? I'm not watching an ad, even though I can see it. Hitting a minion gives you 5 seconds of time pen. Are you a minion? I can't hit anybody. Are you a minion? Come back soon. Okay, was that Torotoki Village? My bad. Oh, secrets? Secrets? Hold up. Oh, it's not really a secret, is it? Let's go up here. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. Ah! Oh my gosh. There's a key up there. There's IKEA up there. Climb up, please. It reminds me of the cat suit from Super Mario 3D World. Wood beetles have infested the big oak. Take this key to open the tree's entrance. Okay. Thank you for letting me see your key. You don't even know me. Alright, so... is there anywhere... oh, I can go up here. Alright, can I talk? Okay, never mind. Run up here. We collect water dripping from the trees. Okay. That's nice, I guess. Our little other thingy. Alright, that's all we need. Well, that's not all we need. Do we have to go back and get something? No. Alright. Let's go. But now, oh my gosh. Wait. Every time I run into the tree, water drops. I'm thinking this could help them? Hold up. Nah. Shop. Oh, wait. Other bell was right here. Alright, right here. Carefully. Yay! Alright. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Level clear! That took me a while. Anyways, guys, this was just a little... Alright, we're not ending it here, I guess. Is this like, a boss fight? I did not mean to do that. Dude, stop giving me ads! Jeez, that was annoying. What is that? Cherry? No, that looks like more of a beetroot. Oh, I have the key. Okay, let me in the tree. I got the key. About to go crazy. Ran into a wall to do a head pound. Alright, I already learned that. Does that help me? Oh, it knocks the creatures. Oh my gosh, that scared me so much. That thing. Head pound. Oh, the little carrot dude helps me. Okay, boy. Oh, whoa. Okay, I'm sorry that you had to see that. Technical difficulties. I can never get my stuff straight. Oh. Right here. Alright, could you do me a favor and attack those people for me? Cause, I mean, it's not much to ask. Alright. I'm gonna head pound. Wait, does he only attack when they're head pound? When I head pound? Dude, you're missing! Stop! What are you aiming at? Thank you! Okay, this seems to be the way. Ugandan knuckle style. Is there something up here? Alright, doesn't look like it. What's over here? Just a couple coins. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Just playing, nobody watches these. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on level whatever. This is awkward.